In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invitation from Hubstaff. Whether you're joining a new team or starting a project, getting set up in Hubstaff is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you're up and running without a hitch. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your email inbox, where you should have received an invitation. This email is usually sent directly to you from Hubstaff or the person managing your team's account. Make sure you're looking in the correct email account that you registered with, and sometimes it helps to check the spam or junk folder just in case the invitation landed there. That way you don't miss it in the clutter of your inbox. Once you've located the invitation email, the next step is to click on it to open. The email will contain all the important information about joining Hubstaff, and at the heart of it, you'll find a button or a link that prompts you to accept the invitation. This is your key to starting your Hubstaff journey. So go ahead and click on Accept Invitation. Clicking this link will direct you to the Hubstaff platform, where you'll be guided through what to do next. Now you're on the right track. Upon clicking the link, follow the on-screen prompts. These instructions are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, guiding you through the essential steps to set up your account. You might be asked to create a password if it's your first time, or log in with your existing credentials if you already have a Hubstaff account. Ensure all information you provide is accurate and meets any requirements specified, such as password strength. As you follow these prompts, you'll see options for personalizing your account settings. This is where you can set preferences that suit how you intend to use Hubstaff, whether it's setting up notifications, choosing time zones, or connecting other tools and services. Taking a moment here to configure these options can improve your experience and help you manage your tasks more efficiently from the very beginning. Once you've completed all the input fields and verified your details, submit the information to finalize your registration. You'll know you've succeeded once you receive a confirmation message indicating you've officially joined the team on Hubstaff. This is also a good moment to take a quick look around Hubstaff's dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features and layout. And that's it. You've successfully accepted your invitation and are now part of the Hubstaff platform. If you have any remaining questions or face any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help, either by consulting the support section on Hubstaff or asking your team leader for assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide